Frag family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left in Amber's corner, but that's okay. But just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. We have some fresh spring fragrances that I wanted to chit chat about and give you all some of my favorite fresh fragrances for this season. First, let's start off with a marine iris, okay? We have a good fresh fragrance in the house, and that is Elizabeth Arden, and this is white tea. And let me tell you all, I was not checking for this fragrance. I wasn't checking for her, wasn't looking out for her, nothing. Wasn't checking for her at all. But when I got the body butter, I said, oh my goodness. When I see this perfume anywhere, I don't care if it's at Target, Ross, wherever, I'm getting it. And I saw it at Marshall's and I got it. And it's so good. And I've loved it ever since, okay? I love this fragrance. If you're looking for a good marine, kind of like a sea note fragrance with a little citrus, with some tea, okay? Because you all know your sis is not a tea note type of girl. But this one is so good because it also has this sweetness with the mandarin orange and the iris, okay? I think the iris just does it for me, and I can wear this to the bed, or in the bed, sorry. Ooh, it's so good. I can wear this for an easy grab and go, like even spa days. Like if you're going to a spa, you can wear this before you get into the spa. This is so good and fresh, and I absolutely adore this. Highly would recommend. You would probably have to get it from like a Marshall's or Ross, something like that. Or maybe you can get this off of like a third party website. I don't know. But if you see this, okay, and it happens to be in your repertoire or in your eyesight, I love her down. She smells so good and fresh. And the pricing, I'm sure when you get it, chef's kiss, okay? Moving on. Next up, we have a Bulgarian rose, okay? Musk, fresh, powdery fragrance that I fell in love with. It was my scent of the day today, and I went to go see Sinners, and so this was my scent because I felt like this movie was going to be a little bit of dark, so I need a little brightness, and that is the Harmonious Yin Transformation. And sometimes when you're in a movie setting, right, you're sitting close encounter with people, and I was by myself, poor is me, but I was by myself in the theater, so I didn't want to, offend anyone with my fragrance, and this is such a winter, powdery, fresh scent that you cannot go wrong, right? People like, what do you have on? Like, this is one of those fresh but makes impact, because sometimes with fresh fragrances you don't smell it unless you're close encounter with people, but this one I smelled throughout the theater. I knew the person beside me smelled me. I probably didn't get a compliment because they didn't know me, but it's okay. But this rose, Bulgarian rose that's in this, I believe almond milk is in this, so it gives this kind of milky, latonic feel. Iris is also in this fragrance, if you can see the theme, yes. Powdery, fresh, musk. It is so, so beautiful. I adore this so much. If you have this, now this is on the other side of the penny, so this costs a good bit, but it's well worth it. I love the Harmonious line. I think there's one fragrance there for everyone. You just have to find which one suits you, but this one, for my fresh babes out there, for my fresh divas, okay? This is one to have in your collection. Honestly, chef's kiss on this is 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Next up, we have this Spanish brand, okay? And this is Loewe One Woman. Oh my goodness. Do you all have this? If you all don't, like, this definitely needs to be on your wish list. So good, okay? Talk about a fresh, clean, luxury impacting fragrance. This is a goer, okay? The way they they have so many. When I went to Cancun, the way they was everywhere, okay? Everywhere everywhere I put my eye on fragrance, this brand was there, okay? And they have so many different fragrances. So I would definitely recommend, I know you can find this in Neiman Marcus, but I absolutely recommend that you get your nose and try some of them and see which one works for you, because they have so many different fragrances. But this one is so beautiful. To me, this just gives feminine vibes, very clean, musky, feminine vibes. If you like that type of scent profile, you would love this. This is so good. Has to be in your collection. I mean, fresh all day, but you smell so good and so put together with this fragrance. Highly recommend. Again, this is one that can go to the day, to the night hour, whatever you got going on. This is a beautiful fragrance, and I would highly recommend. We have Italian tangerine. We have pink pepper that gives us spice, but not too spicy, right? We have the jasmine in this. We also have this beautiful dry down of musk in this. It is a collective, beautiful, this is art. I'm sorry. I love it. If I'm over exaggerating, oh well, I love it. It's so good to me and my nose. I would highly recommend. This is a beautiful musk fresh scent. Next up, we have the Lily of the Valley. We have white peach in this. When I think of another beautiful musk scent, I have to go with Valaya. This is so good. I got this my last birthday, and so I think I might get Delina Exclusive for this birthday season. I know it's old. I know I'm late. But I just have to have that this year. I really need that in my collection. Cassilia is another one that's really good that I need in my collection. Anyway, back to Valaya. Valaya is so pretty. In my personal opinion, I've had great experience with this fragrance. I love a good musk scent. I love this one. I just need to wear it more. I feel like when I get to my birthday month, it's like mid, right? It's in June, right? So we're at the mid mark, and I feel like, okay, I'm just like, okay, consuming all of these summer fragrances, and then Valaya, I got me some wears out of this, but I felt like Valaya got put up really quick, okay? And so I really want to explore her. I want to take her on vacation with me. I really want to get more intimate with her. And she is on my tray, so I will definitely, in this month of May, get my life with this, okay? What are your experiences with Valaya? Comment down below. And last but certainly not least, I had to leave this to the end because no one can find it, but I believe this is still a great, fresh musk scent, and it makes me feel clean and pretty and young. In my old age, no. It makes me feel really pretty and young and flirty and fantastic, and I love it. So this is Musk 12 from K. Alley. This is what my sis Chi Chi always says needs to come back, and I totally agree with her. I love this. I have been babysitting this. You see? Because she hasn't come out with the Musk 12 again, so there's nothing to re-up on. Once it would be done, it's done. So I am going to get more wears this season, but again, I'm babysitting this one. Kind of like the Wedding Centile, because I didn't think that was going to come back. Until I know that it's going to be available for me, even if I run out of it, yeah, I'm probably going to still babysit this one. However, this is so good. If you're looking for a vanilla musk, okay, one that will last, we have freesia, lotus, flower is in this as well. This is such a pretty musk fragrance, and I really do hope that she decides to bring this back, because when I think of a vanilla pretty, like kind of fresh out of the shower type of scent. Like again, if you're into vanilla and musk and you like that just fresh out of the shower smell, this is one to get. Like, this is so pretty. Definitely an easy reach. You can wear this with anything in your collection, right? To set that off. If you need to add a vanilla and musk to it, you can do it with this fragrance. I love this. You know, I can't tell you to run out and get this at this time, but if you do have this in your collection, you know the joys that you have with this beautiful baby. And I totally agree with my sis Chi Chi. Mona, come on now. You need to bring this back, okay? We need a re-up, okay? Moving on. Well, that's all, fam, for my recommendations for fresh fragrances, okay? What are some of your top fresh fragrances? I would love to know some of your choices. What do you like, okay? What do you feel is a fresh scent, okay? Comment down below. And honey, a good old white t-shirt from Bath & Body Works can also do the job just as justice, okay? If that's coming back, great. But that can also, it wasn't on this kind of lineup, but that is also a great fresh scent that is affordable, okay? So keep that in mind, all right? Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.